Hola clase, bienvenidos a Español 135. I'm Evelyn Marcano. I'm going to be your instructor for the following weeks, okay? And we're just briefly going to go through the material that you'll be going to do for the next few weeks, okay? So when you start, you can go to content. And there's a little bit of an overview, the course tour, which is what this video it's about. Okay, you can watch this video and it will take you through the whole course. Instructor information, here you'll have my information, my email, phone number that you can text if you really want an answer quickly. I do tend to answer emails very quickly, so please, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Course policies, which we'll look more into detail later. The course calendar, I definitely suggest that you print this out, okay, or put it in your phone or something. So we just clicked on the calendar so we can take a look at it. Computer's a little bit slow today. Here we go. So here you have all the categories, the weight of your assignments, online homework packets. Those are going to be every week, and you have unlimited tries for the homework, of course. Great practice. Vocabulary quizzes also you have, every week. Those you get one attempt. Speaking recordings, you have every module also, and then they're just going to be short recordings where you'll be either answering questions or asking questions. Pronunciation projects, you'll have 2 of them, and it's just basically you read something and it's just to practice the pronunciation. Discussion board, there's 5 of them, and they're in English, very short. They usually have to do with cultural things. Field specific project, that's also in English, and it's just a project where you'll probably have to interview somebody in the medical field. Let's take a look down here. It more detailed about the modules. They start on August 28th and September 5th. You have a whole week to do the assignments. That it tells you here the activities and learning material that you will need, as you can see. And then after this one's due, then September 6th to September 12th, 13th to the 19th, and so on. Okay. It will tell you when the first initial post of the discussion board is due. The syllabus quiz, just basically everything that you have to do. Now modules 1 and 2 are going to be a little bit different. They're going to be open together. Some of the material you probably can do without the book, but this gives you an opportunity to get to the book, which you will definitely need. Okay, so definitely get the book. You will need it for the assignments. Okay, you can take a look at the rest of the detailed assignments. Please make sure that you look at this. There's a lot of assignments that are due on specific dates, okay? We tend to not accept late work, guys, okay? We're in college. So just make sure that you either have alarms on your phones or you have the detailed calendar somewhere where you could be reminded of when each assignment is due, okay? I will be sending reminders, but it is ultimately up to you to make sure that you know when the assignments are due, okay? All right, let's go back now and take a look further. Okay, as you can see here, under Start Here, there's a lot of information, calendar, textbook information, it's all here. You can take a look. This is the book that you will need. You can get a used copy, okay, or rent it. That's fine. Just make sure you get the correct book, okay? Also, let's see what else is here. Okay, how to do accent marks, okay? Academic integrity policy, which will have to be signed. Tutoring, there is tutoring available if you need it, okay? And there's definitely resources for mental health, technology. Definitely take a look at this, because if you are in need of a laptop or, financial, different things, we have a food pantry. So there's a lot of information here. We don't just worry about your academics. Okay. We want to make sure that, all areas of yourself are fine, because, when, we're adults, and sometimes when we have an issue, it can affect our learning. So please, I'm not just your instructor for academics. If you need help with a certain resource, please feel free to reach out. Okay, that's what we're here for. All right. So here also you have the if you click on each module, it'll give you specifics about that module, exactly everything that you need, everything that needs to be done, and more details about the assignments. Okay. Other than that, that's pretty much it. There is a lot of details here. There is, as I said, the homework packets. Okay, you have unlimited tries. Let's look at module 3, because module 3, it's when it goes a little bit different. Like I said, modules 1 and 2, they're kind of together. But by the time we get to module 3, that's really when, like, the meat and potatoes of the assignments really start. As you can see, we start discussions about family names, speaking assignments, and all of that. Okay. So if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out. That's what I'm here for. Okay. Just, this is not too bad. As long as you keep up with the dates and you do your studying and you do the things that you're supposed to be doing, you will do fine in this course. Okay. And like I said, if you have any questions, I am here. Please feel free to reach out. Okay. Adiós. Nos vemos pronto.